Hi, what's your name and where are you from?
Hi, I'm Anushka Chaudhary. I'm from Ranchi, Jharkhand.
Anushka, what are you currently doing?
So I'm currently in my first year. I'm doing PGDM in marketing from ISBA.
Amazing. What is the competitive exam that you give?
I gave CMAT and I scored 89.8 percentile.
Okay, so before joining ISBR, which all colleges were you looking at and why did you choose ISBR?
So I was also looking at XISS Ranchi, Dehradun Doon University and ISBA. I chose ISBA because of its hectic and but very academically challenging programs. So I wanted to be academically challenged, and while interviewing for Doon University, the lecturer there suggested me that ISBA was a much better option. So yeah, hence ISBA.
Okay, now that you've joined here, what's been your major highlight of the program?
So I really like it. I think whatever I wished for, I got it. So I've been receiving pre-master mentorship before joining the college, and now that I've joined the college and it's been 4 months, I've been receiving extended mentorship. And yeah, so there's this corporate faculties who come and give us guidance according to our specialization, what we want to pursue in future. So yeah, so it's been great.
Okay, walk me through the whole interview process of ISBR and how did you manage to crack it?
So my interview was in Kolkata. So I gave a micro presentation and my questions were based on that. So I gave my presentation on traditional OTT platforms. And yeah, so I also received questions according to my past academic degree. So I graduated in journalism. So there were questions and basic questions like where do you see yourself in 5 years? What do you expect from ISBA? And questions like that.
Okay, just last question. If you have to tell people one reason why they should join ISBR and one reason why they should not join ISBR, what would it be?
I think ISBA is a great option for whoever wants to challenge themselves academically and co-curricular wise. So recently I got the opportunity and my other batchmates, we went to IIM Bangalore. So ISBA provides you with opportunities like that. We are encouraged to do co-curricular activities and we are encouraged to go outside and just have that real life exposure. If you don't like being academically challenged and if you can't adapt to new situations, I don't think ISBA is the right place for you.
Okay, thank you so much. I wish you all the best.
Thank you.